y'all, this is Brooke English with Coastal Chevrolet Cadillac here in Pawleys Island, South Carolina. And today I have a 2019 Cadillac XT5. What we're going to show y'all today is how to use the hands-free motion-activated liftgate. So a couple of things to note. First off, obviously you need your key fob, and it needs to be within 3 feet of the vehicle. So we're going to be starting on the driver's side rear right here. So what we're going to do is just kick underneath, and there it goes. So it's actually going to raise up to a pre-selected height, which we'll show y'all later, but this is exactly how you're going to utilize this awesome feature. So if you want to, you can simply press the button up here to close it, but you can also go back to the rear side, the same side that you were on, to close it as well. So here I go again. And now it's closing. And now this can be, this feature is actually on the 2017, 2018, and 2019 Cadillac XT5s. So now we're going to show y'all how it works on the pre-selected height. So here we have the height adjustment button. So as you can see, there's 3 different settings. We have max, 3/4, and off. So the benefit of the 3/4 is for people short like me, but also if you're in a garage door, so it doesn't hit the top. So I'm actually going to go ahead and set it to that feature, and then we'll show y'all what that looks like. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to show y'all how the 3/4 height basically looks like. So I'm just going to open it regularly here. So as you can see, I, as a short person, can easily touch this, whereas if it's all the way up, I have to actually reach my full length. So this is the benefit, is if you have a garage, you don't have to worry about it hitting the top or hitting anything there. So what's really cool about this feature as well is if you had something, say, hanging out of the cargo door, the vehicle will not let it shut on it. So, and it's gonna honk and let you know, hey, there's something there. So pretty cool. All right, y'all, so some best practices with this. One of the things you're not going to do is come to the middle here and swipe from side to side. So that obviously is not going to open the vehicle. Also, when you're over here, you don't want to pause because it's not going to open. You want to do it in one fluid motion and it will open for you. There's actually a sensor over here that is very, very helpful. That's probably where you want to stand, is close to that. Thank y'all again so much for watching. My name is Brooke English with Coastal Chevrolet Cadillac. Thanks!